Hey guys, welcome back to the E&M adventure.
Yeah.
Today we're taking Blue for the first time to the dog park because it's his birthday.
Yeah, look at guys.
He's
today,
a 1-year-old.
Blue, he turned 1 year old today. Look at him. Look how big he is now.
He's so big and intimidating looking.
So guys, Blue has never been in the dog park with other dogs. Well, he socialized with other dogs before, but not inside a dog park. We wanted to take him like about 3 months ago when we barely got him, but we pretty much came to agreement that we should wait until he turns 1.
Yeah.
Until he's a little bigger.
And today's the day.
Today's the day for his birthday.
Blue. Look at
Blue, what are you doing?
He's going in circles.
Why is he going in circles?
He's going in circles around me. Look at him.
What the fuck is he doing? Blue, what the hell? Alrighty then.
Alright, so let's see how he reacts.
So let's see if there's any dogs in the dog park. So let's take him in there. Come on, Blue. Let's go.
Oh snap. Beautiful day at the park. Look at the little geese. Oh yeah. This is a beautiful park. And today is Blue's birthday, so we're gonna take him for the first time. He's Blue. How cute, huh? Where's the duckling?
Oh no, they just sound like it.
So pretty. Look at Blue. Stop scaring them away. Well, today's his birthday, so we brought him to the park. It's his first time at the dog park. We'll see how he reacts with the other dogs. He's 1 today, huh, Blue? You're 1 year old today? Oh, he got in the water. You're getting in the water, baby. So they allow dogs to swim here, even though there's like all kinds of animals. Dogs can swim here. Look at the fishies. Look at Blue. Look at the fishies. Look at the turtles. How cute. Guy drinking the water. Oh, look at all the fishies and the turtles.
Come on, Blue.
all right, Blue.
Come on.
Let's see how you act at the dog park with the doggies. Like he sees other dogs and he always wants to go and play all the time. He gets cray.
Come on.
Oh look, that one doesn't have a leash.
I know.
Oh, it does have a leash, but all right, dog. All right, Blue.
All right, children.
Let's go. Look how happy he loves that toy.
Blue.
Go get it, boy. He's such a lazy butt.
Where's your toy?
Blue, go get your toy. Wow, fail. He actually likes to. He likes to wander around and smell other doggies for some reason. He's so weird. You want it? Go get it. Good boy. Give it to me. No? Okay. You tired already, Blue? Doggy. The dog's outside though. He's like, come play with me, come play with me. Look at him. What's wrong, Blue? What's wrong, baby? You okay? He's outside the fence. You can't go get him. He wants to play. Look at him.
Oh shit!
He's greeting. No, don't. They're gonna take him to the other dog park. Blue, relax. You're okay. You okay, Blue? You just want to play, huh? They're gonna go to the other dog park because you're already scared of that one. Aw, he wants companion. He wants to play so bad. It's like, where are you taking him? Huh, Blue? Where are they taking that other doggy? What's wrong, baby? He left. He's gone. Oh, he wants to play so bad. We'll see when another doggy is gonna come, okay?
Sit. Give me your hand. No.
Good boy.
Lay. Lay. Alright, give me your hand. Your other hand. Other hand. Good boy. Good boy. Whose birthday is it? Huh? Blue. Whose birthday is it today? Is your birthday? Yeah? Happy birthday.
Blue.
Blue, look.
Blue. Why are you getting that? Alrighty then. Blue. Hi, baby. Happy birthday. Okay. You crazy. Ah. Alright. Hey guys, so today's Blue's birthday, and look at this beautiful cake. Who made it, babe?
I made it.
Yum.
So this cake has special ingredients that are safe for dogs. If you guys want to know the recipe, it's also safe for humans. We can also eat it too.
It's on Pinterest.
It's on Pinterest, or comment down below.
Yeah.
I'll give you guys a recipe.
Yeah, look at Blue.
It's made with peanut butter. So he loves peanut butter. So.
It looks like a dog bone.
And it has one candle because it's his first birthday.
Yeah.
Come on, Blue.
Look at him. He's scared because he keeps popping the balloons. Why you keep popping the balloons? Come here. Come here, baby. Come on. Come on.
Look.
Look at your toys. Look. You got your toys. And stuff. You see he popped that balloon. Okay. Are we gonna...
We can smell it.
Blue, look, come here. Come here, Blue. Come here. Stop being a scary cat. Alright, let's light it up and sing happy birthday to him. It's his first birthday ever.
His first birthday. Blue, look.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you, cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Blue. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Blue, come and blow your candle.
Blue, come on.
Blow your candle, baby. Come here, come here. Look, you want some of this frosting? Come here, baby. Get some frosting. Oh, you can take a picture right there. Take a picture right there. Take a picture. Blue, blow your candle.
Fucking stupid phone.
You take a picture? Look it. Blow it. He wants to eat the whole cake. Blow it, baby. Like this. Look it. Ready? Yay!
Good boy.
It looks so cute with his hat.
Blue. So look, Blue, for your birthday we got you some presents. Look, it's a new squeaky toy. You like it?
He loves squeaky
You like
toys.
it?
Look at his tail wagging.
You like it? Look at, look at, look at. Look at. And look. Oh. Guys, well, he took out with his new toy, but we got him a bone for his birthday and another filled bone is filled with peanut butter.
Yeah, he loves peanut butter.
So right now we're gonna go give him his cake. Although he already took off with his toy somewhere.
Hey, do you want some cake? Yeah? Wink if you want a cake. Wink. Oh, good boy. You do want some cake, huh? Happy birthday again. You're 1-year-old now. You're a big boy. All right, we're gonna, Mike is gonna cut, the dad is gonna cut him a cake.
How big? Like this big, huh?
Yeah. Yummy in his tummy. Blue, you want some cake?
So guys, look at that. With peanut butter in it.
Filled with peanut butter. That looks delicious.
Look at that. If you guys want the recipe, comment down below and I'll give it to you guys. It's safe for dogs and for humans, so we're gonna enjoy a piece too.
Yeah.
Blue.
Come here, Boo. Put it right here. Yeah. Eat that up, baby. Eat some cake.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, he loves it. He loves it, all right?
Oh yeah.
Stop. Can you stop moving the plate, bro? I'm trying to record you. Okay, la. Go, go. He loves the cake. He loved it. Success. Good job, babe. Babe actually baked the cake, huh, babe?
Yep.
Look, that's a balloon he popped. That blue thing right there.
It's okay. Keep eating.
Go, baby. Eat your cake. Oh, he's enjoying that cake. Take a big bite. Take a big bite, Blue. Go, Blue. You full? Eat your cake. Oh, you made a mess, huh, Blue? See the damage. You like your cake? It's yummy, huh? He is definitely making a mess, but he loved it.
Totally worth it.
Totally worth it. Look at him. He's not even talking right now. He's just going about
Oh, he's a dog. He don't talk.
Well, not talking, but like distracted. He doesn't get distracted. He's on the go. Look at him. He has some more in that other plate. Bro, you gotta better lick this all up. Did you chop it up for him?
Yeah.
Get in there, boy. Get in there. He looks so cute with his little hat. Alright, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Blue's first birthday. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Look at this guy. He's so strong and big now. Alright. Bye.